So today we are at McKinney Falls and it's a beautiful day outside, no clouds at all. And we're just checking out the area with Mila. Where is Mila? The temperature is very nice, low 70s, very comfortable. So for the entrance, we paid $6 per person. And yeah, it's not busy at all. Very dog friendly like everywhere in Austin. That was the remains of a grits mill. It's a water-powered type of mill. It provides mechanical energy from flowing water. We're now enjoying a nice long walk along the Homestead Trail. What we just saw was the lower McKinney Falls. And yeah, perfect weather. Hey Alice, how's a tree get on the internet? They log on. Alright, so that was the lower falls, and we talked to a park ranger and told us where the upper falls are, so we have to go out and drive a little bit, but yeah, looking forward to exploring that area as well. Is anything over there? So we are now at the upper falls, and it's pretty similar to the lower falls. It's less people here. It's a great place to relax and just take in the scenery. Oh, interesting. We just spotted some vultures. Chilling by the water. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Look at that view. So we just found out after a little bit of walking that the upper falls actually connects to the lower one by this area here. And that's the lower falls over there. And behind me, this way, is the upper falls. Alright, we just spent about a couple hours here, and what a relaxing day. I had a great time checking out McKinney Falls. My battery's gonna die, so thanks for watching.